To order food from DoorDash, start by opening the DoorDash app, which will display the homepage. From there, you can search for a specific dish or food in the search bar, or browse through the various options such as fast food, seafood, and top searches. Once you've found what you're looking for, select a particular item, like a burger, and tap on it. You'll then be able to choose your desired fillings by tapping the plus icon and adding items according to your needs. After adding an item, tap Add Item to place it in your cart. If you're having trouble finding the cart option, look for it in the top right corner. Tapping on it will display the orders you've placed so far. From there, you can tap View Cart to review your order, making any necessary corrections or additions by tapping the plus icon to add more items or deleting items as needed. Once you're satisfied with your order, tap Continue to proceed to the payment method option. Here, you can enter your payment details, confirm your location, and review your order one last time before tapping Place Order. Your order will then be placed with DoorDash, and all that's left to do is wait for your food to arrive and enjoy it.